2025, the year of automotive breakthroughs. Electric cars are everywhere, but hybrids are booming too. Solid-state batteries mean longer range and faster charging, while hybrids offer flexibility and lower costs. Meet software-defined vehicles. Cars now get smarter with every update. Think new features, better performance, and a longer lifespan. Self-driving tech is making big leaps. More cars with advanced driver assistance and even highway autonomy are hitting the roads in 2025. 3D printing is revolutionizing car manufacturing. Faster prototyping, lighter parts, and more efficient production. 5G and IoT are making cars more connected than ever. Real-time data, safer navigation, and seamless integration with smart cities. AI is everywhere, from predictive maintenance and smart manufacturing to voice assistance and driver fatigue detection. Want to keep up with the latest auto breakthroughs? Subscribe for more updates. Subscribe now to Smart Ideas Learning and drive into the future.